Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got tenderloin. And with this tenderloin, I'm going to be making you guys a breaded, deep fried tenderloin sandwich. Okay, now what I did already to save on time, I skinned all the fat off of this tenderloin. Okay? And what I'm going to do is just simply cut me a portion of this off. We don't want no real big one. This is like a Midwest style tenderloin. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on this board. I want mine a little bit thicker. So I'm going to cut it just like so, okay? Like a 1/4 of an inch. And I'll probably be making like 4 of these today. Alright, that's 4. Alright, put this back down here. I need to wash this board off really. Clean my hands up. Alright, now this is an egg batter. This is not egg batter, but it's like an egg mixture with milk. It's like a 1/2 cup of milk and 2 eggs. Now what I like to do with mine, I like to keep mine up a notch, so I'm going to put a 1/4 cup of this hot sauce, Frank hot sauce. Just like so. And we're going to mix that up. Just like so. It can get messy a little bit, but just take your time. You can use a fork or whatever. I just thought it'd be a little bit better to use this right here, this hand blender. Alright, to this I'm just going to add a little cayenne pepper. This is like a 1/4 of cayenne pepper. Now my flour, I'm going to put some poultry seasoning in that. Like a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to come in with a little pink sea salt. 1/4. Not too much. You can sprinkle a little bit on there. Granulated onion powder. Like a 1/4. Garlic. So just like that. 1/4. Okay, we're going to move this out the way. And I'm going to mix that up again. Just like that. I could have put that in there before too. Ahead of time. Alright, that is done. We're going to sit this over here. I need that fork again so I can mix up my flour. Notice I'm not using black pepper because it's going to have some spice to it anyway. So yeah, you just want to mix this up nice and well, incorporate that seasoning in there. You won't have no season in one spot. Okay? Alright, So that's that on that. Now, we're going to take these pork chops and put it in this bag. Like so. Try to put it in the center if you can. Alright, you ain't got to zip it up or none of this stuff. And you're going to take this side right here, the tenderized side first. Don't get loud. Then take the solid side. That must be loud too, don't it? Start ringing bell. See, that's the thickness I want. Yes, it's about the thickness I want. Alright. Took that out the bag. It's about the thickness I want mine. If you want yours a little bit thicker, you can. See how thick that is? Which I need this side to be a little bit thinner, so I'm going to put this back in that bag. Alright, I'm going to show you guys one of these because it gets loud. Alright, that's what we're looking like, guys. Like that, okay? You see that close up? Alright, now, if you want to, you can take your little adobo, sprinkle a little bit on this side, just a crumb, guys. Or whatever type of seasoning that you like. Just like so. We're going to put it in this flour first. Press it down. Try to get the edges. Just like that. See that? Alright, we're going to put it in this mixture. Like that. Okay, then we're going to go to the breadcrumbs. Just like that, guys. Now you can sit it in there for a second. Press down on it. Then come and grab it again. Flip it that way. Press down on it. Try to get the edges. Just like so. And you can freeze these too, guys. Just get you some type of parchment paper or something like that and separate them. And that's it right there, guys. That's your breaded tenderloin. Okay, now we're going to fry this. Now, I already got my thing going. I'm just going to go ahead and finish the rest of these up and deep fry these at least about 3 to 4 minutes, okay? See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and drop these in this grease. You just want to just lay them in there like so. Just like that. Let one of them get time to cook a little bit before you throw the other one in there. Don't take long at all. I'm going to drop the other one in there. Sorry about the camera. Sorry about that. Alright guys, it's going to take probably about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll show you what we'll be doing next when these fry up. They'll float when they're done in a minute. Alright guys, see how they float. These are done. Let those done. Put it on a paper towel. Alright. Get this other one out of here. And drop the other two. That's how they look. Okay. Alright, I'm going to drop the other two and then I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I toasted my buns up, as you can see right there. We're going to put these bad boys together. Alright, now this is how we do ours. I don't know how you do yours, but this is what we do. We normally put the little ketchup and a little mustard at the bottom. Just like so. Just a little bit of this. Just like so. Then we take our tenderloins, put that on top. I took a piece off right there. That mug was good too. Not gonna even lie. Alright, one thing we do, we put onions on it. My kids don't like onions like that, so I'm not going to put no onions on theirs, okay? So, come with the ketchup again. Just like so. A little mustard. Alright. We're going to come with our cheese. There's one thing they do love is cheese, I can guarantee you that. Sorry about the noise. You already know my situation. If you don't, pay attention to some of my videos. So I live in an apartment and I have neighbors that got kids, and they loud, so what can I do? So we got our cheese on there. We're going to come in there with our pickles and your onions if you want some. Like that. Spread that out a little bit. Like so. Alright. Then we're going to come in with tomatoes. Now I can guarantee you my daughter's going to take hers off because she don't eat tomatoes. But for presentation purposes, I'll go ahead and do that. Alright, and we normally do our hours with like hot sauce and stuff in the Midwest. In Peoria, I do know that. Alright, I forgot the lettuce. So we're gonna come with some lettuce. This might be too much lettuce for her. Like so. Then we put our tops on. Like that. And you know what, I swear, hey, get me up out of here. Please get me up out of here. Please, whatever it takes. So that's it right here. Let me show you guys close up. Deep fried, breaded pork tenderloins sandwiches. Right here, guys. And you would definitely love it. So please give me a like, a share, And please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all in a minute.